Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking into this video, and you're welcome. For my subscribers, thank you so much. Today we are going to look at how to get rid of bad odor in our vagina. So many things bring bad odor down there. One of them is yeast infection, STDs, poor hygiene, not shaving, sleeping with multiple partners. But whatever that brought it, we are going to solve it using this home remedy. Let's see why we chose vinegar. Vinegar can neutralize odor by breaking down smelly protein down there. It will additionally help to restore the pH amount into the vagina, thus getting rid of the bad odor. If you're new here, please make it a point to subscribe to this channel so that you don't get to miss out any video of me. Please turn on the notification bell so that you can always be notified when I upload another new video. Let's see why we chose bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda is good at balancing pH levels. Imbalancing of pH in the vagina can lead to yeast infection. Excessive vaginal discharge can cause bad smell. Baking soda cleans the area, helps to restore the pH balance. What you need is just a full spoon of baking soda. That's it. Then we are going to add our vinegar. We're going to use 1 teaspoon. Mix them well. Guys, one of the tips that I can give you when you want to get rid of the bad odor, please, when you're in your periods, always change your pads frequently, after 2 hours. Always use cotton when you're buying your underwears. Please, when you go to the toilet, always wipe from front to back. Now let's go back to our video. I'll be giving you some tips as you're making our video. Get 2 cups of water, put them in the saucepan. Boil that water. I'm using my old stove to explain everything. So guys, if you go to the toilet, please always wash your vagina. Wash it. There's nothing you lose. Every time you pee, every time you poop, please wash it. Wash it very well. Use a lot of water. Our water here is done. So let's just prepare it. We're going to put it in this basin. Add our mixture of bicarbonate of soda and vinegar. Then you will have to sit in this water when it is cooled down. Okay, so guys, I was explaining about washing your vagina. Remember, if you poop, for example, and you just wipe it, when you wipe, there is something that still stays on your skin. Then when you start sweating, it will mix with that layer. so you will smell definitely. But when you poop and then you wash it, you will never smell. You will never. Please take a note. Okay, after we're adding our mixture with water, but you'll have to wait for it to cool down, and you sit in this water for 30 minutes after you stop menstruating. I do this every after I menstruate. You can do this every week, it depends on your condition. But guys, always wash your vagina. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning until now. For those who haven't subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you can always be notified when I upload another new video. I love you guys. Bye bye.